Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's Halloween tutorial, I decided to do a Cheshire Cat from Alice in Wonderland. I just love that character and also the Mad Hatter and the bunny. But yeah, this is one of my favorite characters from that movie and I just thought I would do this makeup look. Now before we get started on the video, I wanted to say please don't forget to comment and hit the like button. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on my social medias if you are not already as well. And yeah, if you guys would like to see how I got this Cheshire Cat from Alice in Wonderland Halloween tutorial, please keep watching and we will get right into the video. So first I am drawing the outer shape of the Cheshire Cat mouth. Now I am going to go in with the Makeup Forever Flash palette and fill it in. So first I am going to draw what would be the teeth and then the hollow part of the mouth. So first I'm going to go ahead and draw the teeth, which would be white. Then the hollow parts of the mouth, which would be black. Okay, so now that the outline is done, I'm going to go ahead and begin to draw in the teeth and fill them in. Okay, so I'm going to finish up the white part of the teeth and then I'll come back and do the black. Alright, so now I'm going to take some white eyeshadow and set the cream. Alright, so now let's go in with a black. Alright, so now I'm going in with a black eyeshadow and just setting the cream. Now that I outlined the mouth, I'm going to, as you can see, draw 3 little dots, which are basically going to be the whiskers of the cat. So let me just make them a little darker. Alright, so I'm going to outline the mouth with black. Alright, so now I'm going to move on to the eyes. So first I'm going to begin with a bright pink, and I'm going to bring it out. Since pink and purples are the colors of the Cheshire Cat. So I'm going to switch to a pink from the Makeup Forever Flash palette because I just feel like it's not vibrant enough, the eyeshadow. So now I'm going to add a purple into my crease. And now to the lid, I'm going to add a shimmery pink. Alright, so now I'm going to draw the nose. Alright, so I'm adding a little bit of sparkle to the nose part. And on top of the shimmery eyeshadow, I'm just going to add one of the Urban Decay liners. Just add some extra sparkle. So I'm going to take this MAC pigment in Reflex Blue. So I'm adding it to the lids just because I want that pop. And I'm going to add it down the center right here. Alright, so now I'm going to add mascara and my lashes, and I will be right back. Alright, so this is the final makeup look. I love this character from Alice in Wonderland, and I thought I would go ahead and do it. Yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this Halloween tutorial, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know down below what video you would like to see next, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!